Hello fam, welcome back, and I hope everyone is doing all good. In today's video, I share with you how to fry perfect and easy Ghanaian street style fried fish. Yes, this is how the sweet sellers do it. In fact, it's one of the easiest, if I should say, and you're going to love the entire process as well. All you have to do is to trust the process. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into it. Today I am using horse mackerel fish. One of my favorite fish right now. Is very delicious and very easy to work with. So now we're going to just start by cutting the fish into the size that we want. As I said, we're going to fry this fish just as most of Ghanaian sweet sellers do it. As you all know, I do have time for my fish. Anytime I want to fry fish, I do make sure to remove anything from the fish because I don't enjoy eating it at all, okay? But for this one, Charlie, all you have to do is to cut it and you are good to go. No need to remove anything from the fish, whether the fins, the grills, the whatever. Just cut it, clean your fish afterwards, and you are good to go. Some of the sweet sellers do this because they don't have that much time to be cleaning one fish for about 30 minutes and you're not done. Whilst your lovely customers await you, you don't have that time. Just cut it, clean it afterwards, and fry, and you are good to go. You can also remove any unwanted thing that you don't need from the fish, and that's just fine. But for today's recipe, I am frying a typical Ghanaian street style fried fish, and this is how we do it, period. That's just by the way, okay? So far, let's cut it, and once that is done, we will proceed to clean the fish. Now, whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so moving forward, let's transfer the fish into a different bowl. I'll go in with enough water. Once that is done, I'll also go in with some salt to help clean the fish very well. You can also go in with some vinegar or some lime juice, and that's just fine. I'll also leave it in the water for about 10 to 15 minutes to do its own thing, and once that is done, I will remove the fish from the salty water and we will proceed to the next stage. Whilst that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel because it is absolutely free. Thank you so much, and I do appreciate you a lot. Alright, so we are done cleaning the fish. I'll transfer it into a different bowl. I'll go in with some salt to taste and also a little bit of fish seasoning powder. Feel free to add in any seasoning of your choice. You can also mix the seasoning and use just the salt, okay? Now I will just flip it over just the way you see it on your screens right now. You can also use your hands to massage all the seasonings to the fish very well, okay? Now whilst that is done, I'll leave it to marinate for about 10 minutes and it should be okay. You know, fish doesn't take a lot of time to marinate, so approximately 5 to 10 minutes should be okay. Whilst we're waiting patiently for the fish to get ready, let's go ahead and heat up our cooking oil. I'm using vegetable cooking oil to fry the fish. You can also use any type of cooking oil of your choice. Now I want the fish to really smell really good afterwards, so I'll go in with a little bit of onion to give the oil more flavor. The oil is nice and very hot right now, so I'll go in with my fish. And one thing that I'm going to share with you is that you know the sweet sellers, they don't want to waste much flour. So some people choose to coat their fish with flour, whilst others also just sprinkle the flour on the fish whilst the fish is in the oil frying, just the way you see it on your screens right now. With this way, you're going to save a lot of flour if you don't have enough, or if you don't want to waste flour. So the choice is yours. Are you going to coat the fish with flour before you fry, or are you going to do it this way? Just let me know in the comment section. I would love to read that comment of yours. Okay, now let's fry the fish on medium heat for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, and it should be ready. As always, you should be checking on the fish from time to time until it's nice and crispy. Alright, so while that is going on, let me still remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't so done that yet, kindly do subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And also let me know in the comment section what you think about this amazing street style Ghana fried fish, and I'll be glad to read all your beautiful comments down below. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now we've been frying the fish for about 10 to 15 minutes now, and this is how it's looking. It's looking all good and perfect right now. So now all that is left is for us to remove the fish, and I'm going to place this on a paper towel to absorb the oil on the fish a little bit, and you can enjoy this fish with any food of your choice. As you all know, I've already uploaded a video which I enjoyed this fish with it on the channel, which is the crispy fried yam. Trust me, it was the best combo ever. Just look at how crispy the fried fish looks right now. Tell me in the comment section what you're going to enjoy with this. As you all know, I enjoyed mine with this delicious fried yam, and trust me, I really enjoyed myself. I'll leave the video link to this fried yam in the description box for you to check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next upload. Bye.